Myself, Neelkant Swami, Assistant Professor, Government First Year College Tiptur. Today, we are discussion about problem on acquisition in the nature of purchase with net assets methods of purchase consideration without statutory reserve. Problem on acquisition in the nature of purchase with net assets method of purchase consideration without statutory reserve. A Limited, the problem. A Limited and B Limited agreed to amalgamate by transferring their undertakings to a new company formed for new company AB Limited, formed for that purpose. On the date of amalgamation, balance sheet of the companies were as under. Here, A Limited and B Limited agreed to amalgamate by transferring. Here, A Limited and B Limited transfer company. The amalgamating the transferring their undertakings to a new company, AB Limited. AB Limited is the purchasing company for the purpose of amalgamation. In that date amalgamation balance sheet, liabilities A Limited, B Limited, rupees. Equity share capital of rupees 10 each. A Limited 5 lakh, B Limited 3 lakh. 5% debentures, A Limited 2 lakh, B Limited 18 lakh. Then reserve fund, A Limited nil, B Limited 50,000. Profit and loss account, A Limited 30,000, B Limited 20,000. Mortgage loan, A Limited 50,000, B Limited dash. Sundry debtors, sundry creditors, A Limited 2,20,000, B Limited 1,30,000. Total liabilities, A Limited 10 lakh, B Limited 6 lakh. Then assets, sundry assets, A Limited 4,80,000, B Limited 3,20,000, 22,000. Freehold property, A Limited 2 lakh, B Limited 1 lakh. Investments, A Limited 50,000, B Limited 20,000. Debtors, A Limited 2,20,000, B Limited 1,50,000. Preliminary expenses, A Limited 20,000, B Limited 80,000. The total assets of A Limited 10 lakh, B Limited 6 lakh. Total assets of A Limited 10 lakh, B Limited 6 lakh. Both side assets and liabilities same. Next adjustments, the purchase consideration of first one, the discharge of debentures in A Limited and B Limited by issuing the equivalent amount of 6% debentures in AB Limited, that is transferor company. Discharge of debentures in A Limited and B Limited by issue of equivalent amount of 6% debentures in AB Limited. Next, second point, the assumption of liabilities of both the companies. Assumption of liabilities of both the companies. Third one, the issue of shares at a premium of rupees 2 per share of equity shares of rupees 10 each in AB Limited. Premium in both shares, A Limited and B Limited. The issue of shares at a premium of rupees 2 share equity shares of rupees 10 each in AB Limited. Next, for the purpose of the amalgamation, the assets are to be revalued as under, that is agreed value. At the time of amalgamation of company, the companies are, for the purpose of the assets are taken over at agreed value. Here, goodwill A Limited 1 lakh, B Limited rupees 75,000. Sundry assets A Limited rupees 4 lakh 10,000, B Limited rupees 2 lakh 80,000. Freehold property A Limited rupees 2 lakh 60,000, B Limited rupees 1 lakh 40,000. Investments A Limited rupees 51,000, B Limited rupees 20,000. Debtors A Limited rupees 2 lakh 25,000, B Limited rupees 1 lakh 35,000. These are all the agreed value of assets for calculation of PC in net assets method. In this problem, calculation of PC is given net assets method. Net assets method. Here, next, journalize the above transactions in the books of A Limited, B Limited and AB Limited. 3. A Limited, B Limited and AB Limited are journalized, means write the journal entries in 3. A in the books of A Limited, in the books of B Limited, in the books of AB Limited. Under amalgamation in the nature of purchase. Indicate the basis on which the shares in AB Limited will be distributed among the shareholders in A Limited and B Limited respectively, which here on the basis on which the shares in AB Limited will be distributed among the shareholders of A Limited and B Limited respectively. Here, next, solution, calculation of purchase consideration on the basis of net assets method. On the basis of net assets method, calculation of PC. Here, 3 columns. Particulars, A Limited rupees, B Limited rupees. Here, all assets taken over by transferee company at agreed value but not book value. All assets taken over by purchasing company at agreed value. Goodwill A Limited 1 lakh, B Limited 75,000. Sundry assets A Limited 4 lakh 10,000, B Limited 2 lakh 80,000. Freehold property A Limited 2 lakh 60,000, B Limited 1 lakh 40,000. Investments A Limited 51,000, B Limited 20,000. Debtors A Limited 2 lakh 25,000, B Limited 1 lakh 35,000. Total assets A Limited rupees 10 lakh 46,000, B Limited rupees 6 lakh 50,000. Agreed value of assets. Then less liabilities, agreed value of liabilities. Here 5% debentures 2 lakh 1 lakh, A Limited 2 lakh, B Limited 1 lakh. 5% debenture. Next, mortgage loan A Limited 50,000, B Limited nil. Creditors A Limited rupees 2 lakh 20,000, B Limited rupees 1 lakh 30,000. Creditors. Total liabilities rupees A Limited 4 lakh 70,000, B Limited 2 lakh 30,000. purchase consideration is equal to agreed value of assets minus agreed value of liabilities. A Limited assets 10,46,000 minus 4,70,000. The purchase consideration is 5,76,000. A Limited purchase consideration 5,76,000. B Limited purchase consideration 6,50,000 minus 2,30,000. 6,50,000 minus 2,30,000. The purchase consideration rupees 4,20,000. 4,20,000. This is the purchase consideration. A Limited 5,76,000. B Limited 4,20,000. Next, second step. Discharge of PC. Discharge of purchase consideration. A Limited, the total purchase consideration rupees 5,76,000. The share rupees 10 plus at par rupees 10 plus premium rupees 2. Total 12 rupees. That is 5,76,000 divided by 12 rupees is equal to 48,000 shares. Here 48,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 4,80,000 is the capital. Then 48,000 into 2 rupees, 96,000 is the premium. Then the same B Limited issue. The B Limited issue also throw 2 rupees 2 per premium, 2 per share premium. The purchase consideration rupees 4,20,000 divided by 12 rupees, 10 plus 2 rupees, 12 rupees, 35,000. 35,000 rupees. 35,000 shares at rupees 3,50,000 share capital. 35,000 into rupees 70,000 is share premium. Here share capital plus share premium. Total both 5,76,000 in A Limited, 4,20,000 in B Limited. Both are divided on the basis of premium 10 plus 12. Next, this is the discharge of PC. Next, third step. Journal entries in the books of or entries in the books of transferor companies. Transferor company. First, in the books of A Limited. In the books of A Limited. In the books of A Limited, all assets transferred to realization account at book value. All assets transferred to realization account at book value. Realization account debit to sundry assets account 4,80,000, to freehold property account 2 lakh, to investments account 50,000, to debtors account 2,50,000. The debit column total is 9,80,000. 9,80,000 being all assets transferred to realization account at book value but not agreed value. Then the same as in all liabilities transferred to realization account at book value. At book value, 5% debentures account debit 2 lakh, mortgage loan account debit 50,000, creditors account debit 2,20,000, to realization account credit column 4,70,000. 5% debentures account 2 lakh, mortgage loan account 50,000, creditors account 2,20,000 to realization account 4,70,000 being all liabilities transferred to realization account at book value. All liabilities transferred to realization account at book value. Then third entry being PC due, purchase consideration due. Entry AB Limited account debit to realization account. AB Limited account debit to realization account 5,76,000 rupees. AB Limited account 5,76,000 debit to realization account 5,76,000 credit column. Being purchase consideration due. Being purchase consideration due. This is the third entry. Next, all informations concerned to realization account completed. Realization account completed to find out the realization profit or loss. If debit side is more than credit side, the balance is called. The debit side is more than credit side, is balance is loss. Entry, the balance transferred to loss transferred to shareholders account. If credit side is more than debit side, the profit also transferred to shareholders account. Here profit. Realization account debit to equity shareholders account 66,000. Realization account debit to equity shareholders account 66,000. The profit transferred to realization account transferred to shareholders account. Then share capital, reserve fund, profit and loss account, share capital, reserve fund, profit and loss account transferred to shareholders account. Share capital rupees 5 lakh, reserve fund nil, profit and loss account rupees 30,000 to equity shareholders account rupees 5,30,000. Being transfer of share capital, profit, reserve to shareholders account. Next, here the preliminary expenses given in the problem asset side. The preliminary expenses also concerned to shareholders account. Equity shareholders account debit 20,000 to preliminary expenses account 20,000. Equity shareholders account 20,000 to preliminary expenses account 20,000, being transfer of preliminary expenses to shareholders account. Now, the discharge of purchasing consideration. It is concerned to new company, that means AB Limited company. Equity shares in AB Limited account debit to AB Limited account. Equity shares in AB Limited account debit to AB Limited account. Here the amount is equity shares in AB Limited account debit to discharge through 4,20,000. Shares plus premium both are included in 4,20,000. Next, now the closing the equity shareholders account. Closing the equity shareholders account. Entry, equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in AB Limited. Equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in AB Limited account 4,20,000 being the final payment made to equity shareholder. Final payment or final settlement to equity shareholders. Now the same as in B Limited. Journal entries in the books of B Limited are transferor company. Journal entries in the books of transferor company. Particulars LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Here first entry, all assets transferred to realization account at book value. Realization account debit to sundry assets account 3,22,000. Freehold property account 1 lakh. To investment account 20,000. To debtors account 1,50,000. Total 5,92,000 transferred to realization account. 5,92,000 transferred to realization account. The all assets transferred to realization account at book value. Then same as in liabilities. All liabilities transferred to realization account at book value. 5% debentures account 1 lakh. Creditors account 1,30,000 to realization account 2,30,000. All liabilities transferred to outsider liability. Realization account at book value. 5% debentures account 1 lakh. Creditors account 1,30,000 to realization account 2,30,000. Then PC due, purchase consideration due. AB Limited account debit to realization account rupees 4,20,000. Rupees 4,20,000. It is concerned to debit column and credit column. Here AB Limited is the transferring company to realization account. Third entry 4,20,000 in each column. Then now realization account, the information concerned to realization accounts are completed. Every information completed realization. Now close the realization account. The profit or loss transferred to shareholders account. In this problem, the profit, because credit side is more than the debit side. The credit side is more than the debit side. Profit. Realization account debit to equity shareholders account. Realization account debit to equity shareholders account. Here 58,000 each column. Realization account 58,000. Equity shareholders account 58,000. The profit on realization transferred. Then a share capital, reserve fund and profit and loss account to equity shareholders account. That means share capital, reserves, profit and loss account, profit balance transfer to shareholders account. Here equity share capital account 3 lakh, reserve fund account 50,000, profit and loss account 20,000. Equity share capital account 3 lakh, reserve fund account 50,000, profit and loss account 20,000 to equity shareholders account 3,70,000 credit column. Being transfer of share capital and profit. Being transfer of share capital and profit. Then now the preliminary expenses, it is asset side. In the problem is given the preliminary expenses concerned to shareholders account. Equity shareholders account debited to preliminary expenses account 8,000. Equity shareholders account debit 8,000. Preliminary expenses account debit 8,000. Being transfer of preliminary expenses. Being transfer of preliminary expenses. Next, discharge of purchase consideration. Now, discharge of purchase consideration entry through shares. Equity shares in AB Limited account debit to 4,20,000 to AB Limited account credit column 4,20,000. Being receipt of purchase consideration. Here receipt, because in the books of vendors company that is called receipts. Receipts. Here 4,20,000 include share capital plus premium. The 4,20,000 it is included in share capital plus concern, that is concerned to shareholders. Equity shares in AB Limited 4,20,000. Next, now close the equity shareholders account. Closing or close the equity shareholders account. Entry equity shareholders account debit 4,20,000 to equity shares in AB Limited 4,20,000. Being the final payment made to equity shareholders or final settlement to equity shareholders. Next, This is the problem. Here the problem is completed. Journal entries in the books of A Limited, journal entries in the books of B Limited, opening entries. Opening entries in the books of A Limited, opening entries in the books of B Limited. Here, journal and ledger account both are closing entries. Journal entries in the books of A Limited, journal entries in the books of B Limited. The opening entries are, we will discuss it in next problem. But here mentioned opening entries, but only 15 marks questions, only PC journal entries, both A Limited and B Limited. The time is 15 marks. I think it is completed 15 marks. If asked to opening entries, first business purchase account debit to vendors company account. Second entry, all assets account debit to all liabilities account debit to business purchase account. If the asset side balance is more than liabilities capital reserve, the liabilities side is more than assets goodwill, and last, liquidator of company's account debit to equity shares, discharge of PC. Okay, this is the problem. Now first calculation of PC, then second step here. Just a minute. A Limited, okay. Journal entries in the books of A Limited, B Limited under amalgamation. Okay, thank you. This is the problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.